Hey guys, so today's project is a little RGB LED tester. Now, an RGB LED is an LED, light emitting diode, that has three elements: red, green, and blue. So if you adjust the brightnesses of each of those elements, you can get an infinite number of colors. So I built a tester that allows me to plug in an RGB LED, and then I can plug in a couple variable resistors and turn the knobs and adjust the brightnesses of each of the elements, and then I can figure out which resistances I need to get a certain color. So here's a quick time lapse of me putting that together. Alright, here we have the finished product. So it looks like a tangle of wires, and it kind of is, but from this wire and this wire this way are the only wires that are important. So here's my adapter that I built. So it's essentially just a wire stuck inside and then a wire wrapped around. And so this is ground, signified by the black. So this is power. So the 5 volts comes in here, and then it comes over to this wire, goes in to here, to this blue, and comes in to the LED. So this is called a common anode LED, or common anode RGB LED, and that's because it has common power, anode being power. There are also common cathode LEDs, which are common ground. So each of these wires is red, green, or blue, green, red, red, green, blue. And then here is my variable resistor. So I didn't show it in the time lapse, I forgot to record it, but I soldered on these wires to the variable resistor. So if we plug in, oh, it's also not plugged in right now. So just a sec. Alright, now it's plugged in. So if we take this and we plug it into any one of these colors, blue, green, or red, see how red's a dimmer? Not sure why, but it is. So if I put it in blue, I can then take this. I think is this the lowest setting? 1 second. Yeah, this is lowest brightness. So I take this and turn it up. I can make it really bright, and then make it really dim. And then same thing for green and red, because I just move it around. I only have the one at the moment, but I only have the one variable resistor, but I'll get 2 more, and then I'll put them together, mount them to something, and so that I can turn them without having to hold them, and then I can just turn them and adjust the brightness to get these different colors. Now what I can do is take out this and just use some of these normal resistors and adjust the color that way, just trial and error. But, so I'll do that in a minute. Alright, so here we have a static resistor. I don't know the resistance on it, but it's on the blue, and so it's made the blue fairly dim, like pretty dim. So if we put this variable, if we put the variable resistor on the red, then it's hard to tell in the camera, but you get sort of this fuchsia color. And then if we can turn up the brightness on the red and make it more red, less blue. And we could do the same thing with green. So if we took this and put it on green, now the green is brighter than the red naturally. So we'd actually, let's see, unplug this, unplug this. So if we take this smaller one here, oh, oops. Actually, that's fine. I don't want that touching anything important. So here, ooh, here we go. See here, the blue's brighter now. And if we plug in the red, see there, now you can tell it's purple. Turn up the red, you can get a fuchsia and then a red. Fuchsia, and then down to more bluish purple, and then up to fuchsia and pinkish, and then up to red, because we're turning up. And then we can also take this, put it here on the green. I'm not sure what this is going to do. We'll see what happens. Take this, put it here on the green. Now that makes the green really dark, because that's a really large resistor. I don't know if I have any. Oh, I have another small one over here. Here. So if I take it, put it there, and then put it over there. Ooh, there we go. So if I take out the red, you can kind of see we have a tealish color. And if I bring in the red, and then turn up the red, it kind of becomes a white or a yellow. So if you connected all of these terminals with equal voltage, you can kind of see I'm kind of getting a white there. Let's see if I can't tweak it to get a white. See, now it's kind of green again. I think this is about as white as I'm going to get it. So yeah, see, kind of like that. So it's really bright, but there you go. So then, again, if I turned it down, goes to green, turn it up, goes to red. So yeah, that's a little demonstration of the RGB LED tester. Alright guys, that was just a quick little project that I'll be using in another project later, but for right now it's just by itself. This is my first real project video, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you didn't notice, I updated my channel art with a little 3D modeling that I did, and so hope you like that as well. Thanks for watching.